Hello spaghetti coders. Today we are going to learn how to dynamically import images into our React application. So I've made a little function right here that's called smash the like button. Yes, you see this right. So go ahead and smash the like button before we go. Now that you've smashed the like button, what you usually want to do, or what you usually find on Stack Overflow, is that you import the image here, like import React component as image from the images text picture, and then you can use it as a tag. So let's say image like this, but this doesn't let you give the component this path dynamically through the props. So we're gonna delete this, and what I found works best among all the answers is that instead of having your images stored in the source directory, you can make a images, or whatever you want to call it, directory inside the public directory. So from here you can use this picture wherever you want inside your project. It doesn't matter, you have access to it. So right here I could say assets / images / test pic.jpg, and this would work with any picture. And now you can send this thing from another component through the props property. That's all for today. You can leave down below in the comments what technique you like to use and what works best for you, and also make sure to smash again the like button till it turns blue. See ya!